Hello guys, welcome to the channel The Nutmeg Show. This is me Rahul, and in this video we'll be talking about the transfer rumors that has been going on week in week out in regards to Arsenal. And as you know, the transfer window is quite open in the Europe, and a lot of rumors are coming in that he is going to sign, he is going to sign, he is moving out of the club, that player is moving into the club. So in this video we'll be discussing such rumors. So let's get on with it. So the first transfer rumor that has been going on since quite a few days is Gabriel Magalhaes, and Arsenal, Napoli, and Manchester United are behind him to sign. Arsenal has supposedly bid for him around 22 to 27 millions, and we are said to be ahead in signing him off. It is being said that Gabriel is waiting for his opportunities. He's uh, foreseeing the clubs that are bidding for him, and then he'll make the decision. But Arsenal are said to be the most favorites that he's eyeing on. And yesterday I heard that the medical was also done. He went into medical in France, and cause he couldn't travel to London for the medical because of this COVID situation, and he is almost 95% done to Arsenal. But still, it's a rumor, and you can't rely on those. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that hope he signs for us, and he is going to be a crucial player for us in regards to our defense, because in the past we have been pretty bad in defending, and transfer rumors play a lot of role because we have been going under a whole new rebuilding process under Arteta. So if we are laying the foundations pretty right this time, so maybe it will benefit us in the coming days, in the coming years or so. So the next player that is being heavily linked to us is Thomas Partey, and it's been months, I think, that this rumor has been going on, and supposedly transfer Thomas Partey have told Atletico Madrid that yeah, he wants this switch to happen, he wants this a go, and he wants to come to Arsenal. Arsenal wants him, so it's pretty much a done deal, because in such cash crunch situation, even Atletico Madrid are willing to let him go for 50 millions. That is his release clause. So Arsenal are ready to pay that. That's happy to hear, and I think we'll get him cause the quality of a player which he is, and the times that he have proved himself in the Europe under Simeone, he has caught a lot of ice. But the favorites are said to be Arsenal, so I hope so he signs for us. So moving on to the next transfer rumor that has been going around a few days, and that player is Yusuf Auer, and he is from Lyon. And as we have all seen his performance in the past few matches in the Champions League that Lyon played, and he is an extravagant player, a creative midfielder. So, and we want uh, him because he is crucial to us, because we don't have so much creativity in our midfield. So I think he is a sensible buy, and even Manchester City and PSG are behind him, and we have offered him cash plus Guendouzi, but I have heard that they have rejected this uh, bid from Arsenal. But I think Arsenal have again rebid it with a lot more cash and Guendouzi. And as we know that Arteta doesn't want Guendouzi, he is not in his plans at all, and he has been left out completely of all the trainings that we have been doing and in the first team lineup. So Guendouzi departures. Let's come on to departures. So the breaking news that hit a few days back was Raul Sanheli. He is moving out of the club, and a lot of things has been said and done. Cause I think there was some inquiry that was happening over Pepe deal, and we purchased him with a lot more money that than he is actually being valued in the market. But the Lille president, he came forward and he said that the value which was being evaluated for Pepe to be sold was it was right, and he was sold rightfully according to all the market uh, valuations. So he has left the club, and in place of him, Vinay Venkatesan. He's a NRI born in India. So he's been taking over the club as a director of football. And a few days back, around 50 to 55, to be precise, 55 personals behind the scenes who work for Arsenal, they were fired because of this pandemic situation. The next player who's been linked moving out of the club is Alexander Lacazette, and he's been linked to Juventus, and seems to be Andres Pirlo is a big fan of his older play and he wants him to join Juventus. So even I heard that some personnel from Juventus are being coming to London to get this deal done, but it's still a rumor. And I recently heard Socrates Papastopoulos is being linked to Napoli. They want him in Napoli. I think we need to get rid of him and we need to offload players like Papastopoulos, Mustafi, and either one of Holding or Chambers, because we are having a lot of players who are not the quality which we need right now in a rebuilding process. So I think these players needs to go. We need to offload a hell lot of players. So the next rumor that has been going on is Lucas Torreira, and he's being linked to a number of Italian clubs like Sampdoria, his previous club, or even AC Milan or Torino. So they are behind him, and Torreira likes Italy as well, as he has stated back then that he wants to leave, but it's not quite certain that he is going. And but he was linked to those Italian clubs. So the next rumor which has been going, and these are the fresh rumors which has been going on, is about Ainsley Maitland-Niles, and he's been linked to Tottenham Hotspur and Wolves. They want him. They have offered him. So I don't think so he'll be going to Tottenham Hotspurs, being our arch rivals. So Wolves, that is feasible. He must opt to go to Wolves. So as you all know, Denis Ceballos was on loan from Real Madrid, and he has been called back for the pre-season by Real Madrid, and Arsenal was firstly trying to get another loan out of him, but Madrid refused, and they told Arsenal that if you want him, you can purchase him. We won't be loaning him out of the club again. And he is being valued around 20 to 30 millions. So Arsenal are eyeing on him as well, and I think we should get him. And he has been quite effective during the end of the season. He was being injured, and before that, he had a bang average performance before the season lockdown. So after that, he came strongly and performed in a hell lot of matches for us. So I think getting Denis Ceballos, if Yusa Maurer is not feasible for us, then I think we should get him around that price, and he'll be able to evolve as a player in Arsenal, and he likes to play here as well under Arteta. So let's see if we can get Danny Ceballos or not. So these were all the rumors that's been going around. So guys, these are the transfer rumors that we are being linked, that they are coming in, these players are going out of the club. So let's see how it unfolds, how the rumors progresses in the future, and I'll be updating you on the rumors in the future as well. So let's not stretch this video too long and wrap this up here. So please share this video to such people who follow football passionately. That will be a big boost to us, that our content is reaching to those kind of people who are very much into football. So signing off for now, and meet you soon. Stay safe. Thank you. Cheers.